Hi guys, I am Mehek Nair and this is Praveen Nair and we are from BodyProCoach, and I'm super excited to announce our collaboration with one of my favorite brands, that's zevic. So they have awesome chocolates, everything made with stevia. That means everything which is really guilt-free. So let's see what we have in the goodie box today.
Alright, the biggest challenge that you face generally when you're following the diet is availability of the great things in India. But now, as we have zevic here, they have covered up everything. You got this stevia here, which means that you can be following a great diet. At the same time, you can follow them with a good taster. So let's go and have a look at it. Alright, the website is www.zevic.in.
Also, please use our code, that is BPC. B for body, P for pro, and C for coach, so that you get the discount on it.
That's 15% on every purchase that you do. Let's go, it's time to open the box.
Yeah.
I'm really excited.
So let's see what I got first.
Yeah. And this is amazing. Sugar-free chocolate coated almonds. What else you need? I'm like literally for a great diet.
They are really one of my favorite.
Alright, this is something that I use on a regular basis. I'm really fond of sugar, but I know that if I eat normal sugar, I'm going to be completely out of shape. So this is something I literally rely every single day, and at least about 3 to 4 times when I'm at least having the black coffees. We do use, in fact, in almost all the recipes. That's stevia from zevic. I love this company, I love these people.
Okay, I think he's winning the game. He's opening more. Okay, here I have sugar-free chocolate-coated almonds. Okay, I've got something super exciting.
Yeah.
Here we have, that's dark chocolate, Belgian dark chocolate. Then I have a sugar-free chocolate which is with Kashmiri saffron. Wow, it sounds so authentic. Then I have with cranberries and blueberry. And I have pink Himalayan salt. I'm going to have these all, not going to give him any.
Alright, it's a myth that we can't eat chocolate, but trust me, we do eat chocolate every single day, and that too after our last meal. Chocolate has some really good content, it is a great antioxidant. The problem actually is the sugar, which is generally comes in the chocolate, but in the zevic version, we do not have to worry about it.
Yep.
They've already taken care of that particular part. So there we go.
So here we have more chocolates. These are with fruited nuts, roasted coffee beans. Coffee is my favorite again. Then roasted almonds. And for somebody who's probably a vegan, you have a great option, that is organic jaggery. Thank you so much, zevic, for these amazing products, and I truly love them all.
I love them too, and I highly recommend them for you people.
So please go on to their website, that is www.zevic.in, and use our code, that's BPC.
Thank you so much for watching, guys. See you soon.
Thank you.